Hey everyone, in this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp chat widget to your Squarespace website. It only takes 2 minutes and you don't need any specific skills to do it. First of all, let's go to Elfsight and choose the WhatsApp chat widget in the menu list. The link is in the description. Click Create Widget. So, let's create your widget. Begin by choosing a template that suits your case best. Click Continue with this template. Connect with your customers by adding your WhatsApp number or a direct link to your chat. Customize your WhatsApp chat bubble and welcome message to engage your website visitors. Customize your WhatsApp chat bubble and welcome message to engage your website visitors. Customize the look of your WhatsApp chat widget to perfectly match your website's design. Click Add to Website to get the embed code for your website. Log in or sign up to Elfsight. This is free, no credit card required. After you sign up, you'll see the widget that you have just created. Click on the code to copy it and go to your Squarespace admin panel. Now let's add the plugin to your Squarespace website. Log in to your Squarespace dashboard and select the website where you want to add the plugin. In the left-hand menu, click Website, then Pages. Paste your installation code into the footer field and click Save. The pop-up will be added to all pages of your Squarespace website. Refresh your page, and your pop-up is live. Paste the WhatsApp chat embed code into your Squarespace admin panel to add it to your website. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy your day.